go to repair. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all like my SHIT, since everybody got a problem with me cursing. Check my shit out. And I got a product review. Let me go ahead and get the package. Oh, I think Brian Anderson, I think that's what your name. Bro, it's been a crappy week for me. Real crappy week. I haven't had time to send out your package. I will do so tomorrow morning, so just bear with me. But you want it, it's yours. And I'll try to email you tonight or something to let you know what's going on. So, let me talk a little louder because my man's having something. So, I don't know what this is, Top Don. I never heard of this company before, but I did Google it and YouTube it, and it seemed like some other YouTubers done product reviews on this as well. So the model this is ArtiLink 201, if you can see, and then got all of the features right here. I'll be sure to leave a picture of it on the side of what it can do. So I'm gonna read out the features. Of course, you can read out your DTC, you can clear it, freeze frame data, your readiness monitor status for those who are doing state inspections and want like a little cheap and expensive tool to see if you're green or red. This is a tool for you. Like I said, display live data. We do. Yeah, you good, bro? This is a shot, bro. Keep going. You good? You good? We do O2 sensor data, live stream. I said freeze frame, and that's about it. I don't know what the fuck else I'm supposed to be talking about, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So got this charging, not a charging cord, but I guess you use this cable to update your product. Whatever. I'm stuff this in my pocket for now. I'm not stealing it because I'm giving the tool away, so I'll be sure to put it back. And the good thing, I didn't have to cut open anything. I just pop open the little plastic thing, and that's that. So you'll have a nice packaging for whoever wins. So let me set this off to the side. And like I said, it's nothing, nothing special for it design-wise. It look cool. Look like one of those type of deals I could stick in my back pocket, and then you get a card, be like, oh, I got another state inspection. All right, let me check out to see if the monitors is ready and shit. Pull it out your pocket. It's just, real convenient. It's real portable. Put it in here. Shit, hang it around your fucking neck if you want to. But I'm just go ahead and take off this little twisty thing, the shit that they use for when you buy your loaf of bread and they put that little twisty thing on it. I never knew the name of it. A tie, a wire tie, whatever. Wanna unhook it. I'm not tying it back up for whoever went. That's your fucking job. But I'll be sure to put this thing right back in there for you. That's your job. But I got this car, Lexus ES300. I don't know the year. I really don't care about the year either, because I'm not in the mood today. It's cold. I got a toothache. I got my tooth. Well, I don't know if I consider it a toothache because I got a tooth removed, but there's pain. A lot of goddamn pain. Like my mouth, y'all see it swollen like right here? Yeah, there's still like little residue blood coming out or whatever. It tastes bad and my breath smells like ass. So, like I said, pull it out and we're gonna go in the car and we're gonna plug this up and we're gonna go from there. So, basic functions, basic design. No need to get all intricate with, products like this, but we can see if I can get it to focus better. Okay, so got your OBD screen, ready test. Let me just go ahead and see if the monitors are ready. So I guess I would navigate through these, two buttons up and down. Keep going up. Here we go. And how do you select? Hit OK. And it's pretty much going to check to see if the monitors are ready for me. Because you could be that inspector. You could need something inexpensive. I see a lot of inspectors in the state of Pennsylvania, and they always got something quick to check the nothing fancy, just to check to see if the monitors are ready. So it looks like it got two codes in the system, 2 DDCs. The light is on, of course, and every monitor look ready. It does not check for the heated cat, the secondary air injection system, and some evap systems are never ready by the time you can run an inspection. But like I said, in the state of Pennsylvania, if you pay attention to my previous videos, depending on your year, like the older cars from like the early 2000s or like the late 90s, it could be 2 monitors not ready. But the ones that are kind of like newer a little bit, the late model ones, those have you need at least one not ready to run it. But in this case, all of the monitors are ready, but we can't run the inspection because you got 2 codes in the. So let's go ahead, back it up, and let's go pull it. So I don't really care about the setup. I really don't care about the about. I just want to know if when I get little tools like this, the only thing I have a need for, and you should have a need for, is just the need to check the monitors and check your code. So go over, and I know I'm killing the review. I'm supposed to be checking it out thoroughly, but listen, for those who know why you need this, and you don't need to be getting to anything else because this tool its limitations on its functions, and I have no use for this type of tool because I have something that can read check engine lights, ABS codes. I can go into the transmission module, check out codes and stuff. I can check out airbags, and I use a launch product, but this has no capabilities of doing what my other device can do, unless they send me one to review. That'd be cool. So let's go ahead and check that out, and let's load it up. Little system protocols, you know how to take all day. You can go and make a sandwich and come back still not ready. So it even lets you know when you go back into, when you get to this screen when you're checking for the codes, lets you know that readiness is completed. You got 8 of them. You got 2 codes in the system. Readiness not completed. I don't know why it says 8 when 8 are completed. And then not supported 3. And then data stream, but will be a lot of data. You got 25 inputs. And let's go select it. So I'm going to recode, hit OK. And I'm worrying about the current code because the light is on, so I'm not worrying about pending codes. You got a P0420, and this would be a cool video because I'll just check out the O2 sensor on live data just to see what's going on. And so, it was only one code, so let's go back to the permanent. No, does not support that function, but maybe there's another code, a specific code that it won't show, but this is only read global settings, so don't even worry about that. So you only see one code. Let's go back down. You see how it says 1 out of 1? Now my other other code reader will do 1 out of 2. Lets me know they got 2 codes, but it's showing 1. If I scroll up, I get to the other one. Now I don't understand that part, but whatever. It must be me being retarded. But let me scroll up, and we'll go down, and it'll get to the other code, which is P0420, incorrect purge flow. So let's go back, and I'm going to pull up the live data. Actually, let me show you the freeze frame. Even though I don't care about freeze frame, but it all depends how intricate you want to get in your diag. But let's go down, and just pretty much takes a snapshot of what sensors was running what and showing what when the code appeared or whenever it was running this problem. So you want to read your freeze frame, that's up to you. Me, I'm trying to keep this video short, so I'm not going to get all intricate. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to, if my screen can focus back again, I'm going to go to the data stream, and I'm going to pull up, I can view all. Let's view that first. Let it load, and this is pretty much what it shows me. So I'm going to go ahead and start this car so we can see the data a lot on a live. Alright, so this is live. So let's go down. Show me fuel trims. Keep going down. Vehicle speed. Time in advance. Intake temperature. Throttle position. O2 sensor voltage. It's bank 1 sensor 1. See if we can pull up bank 1 sensor 2. Yeah, got that. Bank 2 sensor 1. And then I don't see, maybe it shares the same pipe. Whatever, I don't care. I'm not getting into it all crazy. So let's back up and go to the graph. We're going to check out the 420 part of it. So I'm curious on, the waveform that it shows and how fast it shows. something that claimed to be live data. Not bashing the product, but if you say you do live data, I gotta check it out. So let's go down, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, so bank 1 sensor 1, you got bank 1 sensor 2. Let's go back to the other oxygen sensor. Let's see. Bank 1 sensor 1. So it looks like it shares the same pipe for the downstream. So let's go to, hold on. Let me go back just to make sure. Alright, so let's go back to sensor 2, bank 1, and hit OK. And let's look at the waveform. Look how slow it is. But we all know what a failing CAT is. I mean, it could be a faulty sensor or whatever. Whenever I'm doing catalytic converters, I always recommend to replace the sensor as well, because you might have a hard time taking off the sensor, maybe rotted on there or seized up on there. But two, when you're doing stuff like this, you know, the O2 sensor will most likely be the same age as the catalytic converter. So why would you take one off when you're replacing the other? You do both at the same time. It's just smart that way, and save the customer a trip coming back to the shop. Your waveform should be steady. It could go up a little, it could go down, but it should be steady at some point. I don't know what's going on here. Well, it doesn't show me a current, but it shows me a max, and the waveform is pretty up there. There's no need for me to hit the gas because it should have been steady. Now let's go back to the live data. I want to see it regular. And I'm going to go back down to the O2 bank 2. It shows me its output. Oh, output, here, go right there, the output. So we can see from right here, it's, like I said, there's no need for me to hit the gas because we can see the obvious. You see how it spikes down low from close to 0. And watch it peak back up. Give it a minute, it'll peak back up. Got 5.2. Got 8, okay. 0.3, close to 0. 0.3. 0.7. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, what it, you know, live data, and just following up on this code, making sure everything is what it said it is. Just that you could use this to check out a CAT, but I mean, I would use something more. Something more, a bidirectional scan tool is what you would want to use, but you can't get away with diagnosing a car with this when you're dealing with a 420 code. But like I said, it's best to use a something more ready, something more bidirectional. This is what I really want to say. So other than that, is nothing else to talk about this. You know, you got your basic functions. I already showed you how to use this, and that's that. Alright, so y'all know whenever I get code readers to review, whenever it's sent to me, I always say I have no use for it because whatever I use have way more capabilities. So any other company that wants to send me something, feel free to send me whatever you want to send me for me to review, as long as it's something automotive. I had another company send me this thing. Let me show you guys if I can get it. Another company sent me this 3-jaw cell phone. It's like a cell phone holder that mounts in your air vent. I have no use for stuff like this, so will I review it? I won't. And I'm not trying to be all like mean about it, but it's not automotive. It's not automotive for me, so it's nothing for me to talk about. But let me see if this came from the same person. I don't think it did. But any other company want to send me something, feel free to email me. You know how to get to my email if you go through my about section. Yeah, send me whatever you want me to send me. If you want to send me something bigger, top notch, I would love to have something that I can keep instead of giving it away. But my subscribers, they love this, and I'm pretty sure you want them to have and want them to go out and purchase it themselves, so that's cool. I'm going to pack this up and giveaway. So let's talk about the giveaway. So my mind is all over the place. I got like the throbbing tooth pain, so like I'm off beat. So just don't mind me. In fact, I need to take one of the ibuprofens I was prescribed ibuprofen 800s, and then I'm glad they didn't give me perks, because I don't like perks. I don't like the way it make me feel. I don't know how people use perks as a drug, but to each his own. I was given penicillin to, fight the infection, because in case there is an infection going on or whatever. So they gave me that. But giveaway. So y'all know what to do. Leave a comment. Let me know if you won in. Last time I said to people, make sure you should follow me on my Instagram. Now, you don't have to follow me on my Instagram. Not everybody has an Instagram. But just make sure you leave a comment. Let me know you won in. All you got to do is say, yo, Lee. Say it in these words. Yo, Lee. I won in on this code reader. And I'll be sure to put your name down on a piece of paper. And as usual, I'll go live in a day or two. And I'll just give it some time for people to see this video. And, I ain't no big ass YouTuber where, I got thousands of people watching this or whatever. Nah, I'm just a small channel or whatever, just like everyone else. Coming up on 5,000 subscribers, maybe in the next couple of weeks. So let's give a hand clap to that. That's cool. But, yeah, giveaway. Let me know that you say, yo, League, I won in. And I'm writing your name down on a piece of paper. Like I said, day or two. I'm not repeating myself, but I want you guys to understand what I'm saying. In a day or two, I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna call out names. And if you win, you win. If you don't, I'll be having more people will always send me stuff. So just stick around. There'll be more things for you to give away. I may be going out personally and buy more stuff or products just the same as this, and just give them away. You never know. But we'll get to that day whenever it comes. Let me go ahead and put everything I took out of this box back, so that way, give it to its rightful owner when they win. So yeah, I'll elaborate thoroughly in the description. And again, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.